Looks like Dad's got the first fish of the day.
Hey, cute little rascal. Oh,
Yeah.
just barely.
Oh yeah, just barely, barely. Fix this camera a little bit here. There we go, that's better. Little green sunfish. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's a windy day today. We're hoping to do some work out here, but haven't had much luck so far. I've had a couple bites. That's the first fish we've caught. We'll see. Maybe we'll move down a little further and get some more luck. Dad's got another one.
He tried to swallow the whole thing.
He's hungry. He's a hungry fishy.
He's cold.
Yeah, I'm sure the water temperatures are still right around 55. Good fish. Good fish. Very nice. Well, we switched sides because Dad caught that one on this side and then wasn't getting much else, and we're using two different colored lures, so I said, oh, let's switch places real quick and see what happens. And we switched places and he catches one on the other side now, so we'll see. I'm hoping to catch a fish today. Well, I don't know. I guess they like Dad's lure better. Dad's over here tearing them up. I still hadn't caught nothing. I've had a couple bites, but just hadn't been able to hook them.
So basically looks just like the one I had.
Yeah, very similar.
Same size and everything.
Very nice.
Give him a picture real quick.
I'm in the middle of something here.
Give him a picture.
Smile. Oh man. All right, well, we're gonna keep doing it. Hopefully we'll get some more. We'll see what happens with it, I guess. All right, I finally got a fish. Oh, he's feisty. He's a feisty little fish. Very nice. Chunky little green sunfish. I'll take it. See if we can't get some more. Finally managed to get my first fish. Dad's already caught 3. He's over here tearing them up. And then I got my sister coming out here. She's just gonna come out and hang out. I'll probably let her throw this line out in the water at least a couple times, see if she can catch a fish. Got another one. We moved to a different spot. I got this tiny little fella. Isn't he cute? I've got my sister on the phone. She just got here. We're trying to get her walked in here to where we are, so. Got another fishy fish. That's another green sunfish too. These little green sunfish out here, they eat. I like these little lures. There we go. Open up. There he is. Beautiful little fish. This little spot's been working out for us so far. Dad's caught one, I've caught a couple over here, so we're just waiting on my sister to get here now. A tiny one, itty bitty. He's feisty. Hey, 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 hey. Look at the little fella. He's a cute little fella. We've moved down again, trying some different spots. We saw some soft shell turtles a minute ago, which was kind of cool. There's 3 or 4 of them. We're just slowly making our way down to all these different little spots and trying them. And when we make it to the end of the line, we'll turn around and try all these spots again, go in the other direction. Hopefully we'll be able to catch a few more fish while we're out here today. My sister finally made it out here. She's never been out here before. She's just kind of wandering around looking at stuff and checking things out. She wants to find a rabbit. I don't know why, but she wants to find a rabbit. She just found some eggs apparently. Ooh, fish. Haha. Find more eggs. It makes me catch fish apparently. It's okay, little fishy. It's okay. Little fella. All right. Look at that. Dad got himself a chunky little green sunfish. Very good.
What's up, brother? What's up?
Kiss him.
No, not gonna happen.
Oh, okay.
Not gonna happen.
Okay, well, I tried. Yeah, we was just talking about moving to a different spot, and then that happened. So maybe we'll stay here for another minute or two, see if we can't catch something.
A couple of 3 casts and see what happens.
We found the big uns, apparently. Dad's
And some bones.
Dad's over here tearing them up. He's caught 2 in this same spot. Is that
Colors on my lure.
is that a Bobby Garland?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Oh, it's Bobby Garland.
This is how you go without.
White with red sparkly. Red and silver. Dang it. Well, I ain't gonna be able to get him off of here.
Try harder. Very nice. Got a little crappie. We've kind of stopped having luck out here. I don't know what happened. They were biting real good for a minute, then they just stopped. Came over here and managed to get me a crappie. Oh, he came off. That was a good sized fish too. Daggum. I'm in a different spot here. There's moss everywhere. I'm literally standing in the water here. I've got my waterproof hiking shoes on and just throwing out and seeing what happens. Adjust this camera a little. And I hooked one and it came off right here. A little disappointing. And with all this moss, I'm having to be real careful because it's just getting all over this lure. Hopefully I can catch a couple more. We're probably about to call it. Dad's getting tired. We've been out here for probably 4 or 5 hours now. And it's been fun. We've caught quite a few fish. We saw a beaver, which is very interesting. We have seen some signs of beavers out here, but never seen the beavers themselves. And we saw one, which isn't necessarily bad. It wouldn't hurt to have a beaver or 2 out here in this little creek, just to kind of help with the overpopulation of some of these fish and keeping the water in a more or less clean state, you know what I mean? Oh shoot. Well, yeah, I just caught a pretty good sized green sunfish. Yeah, he came off right as I was picking him up out of the water right here. I'm gonna see if I can't get a couple more casts in and maybe catch another fish, and then I think we'll probably be calling it after that.